Apple's iOS 26.1, a controversial update with a twist. Apple is about to drop a new iOS update, and it's got everyone talking. iOS 26.1 is on its way, and it's bringing a feature that might just change the game for some users. But here's where it gets interesting. This update could be a compromise for those who weren't feeling Apple's recent liquid glass redesign. The liquid glass redesign, unveiled at WWDC 2025, was Apple's bold visual overhaul. However, it didn't take long for users to voice their concerns about readability and the lag caused by the animations. Apple listened, and now, with iOS 26.1, they are offering a potential solution. Mark Gurman, a reliable source from Bloomberg, has revealed that iOS 26.1 will include a toggle to reduce the liquid glass effect. This means users can now customize their experience and potentially improve their interaction with the new design. It's a move that might just win back some unhappy users. But here's the catch: while this update addresses some grievances, it's not a complete overhaul. Gurman describes it as more reliable, with fewer bugs. So, it's an incremental improvement rather than a game changer. In addition to the toggle, iOS 26.1 will also feature an updated Apple TV icon and some general bug fixes. It seems Apple is taking a step-by-step approach to refining its software. And this is the part most people miss: Apple is likely to continue its usual update pattern. So, we can expect macOS 26.1 and the first beta of watchOS 26.2 to follow suit. So, what do you think? Is this update a step in the right direction, or is Apple missing the mark? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions on this controversial move by Apple.